Hello again, everyone. Just start off this video by saying I used to collect Hot Wheels, Matchboxes, everything. Was really into it for a while, and I've got boxes of this stuff now. As you can see, I just opened this one. Haven't opened them in years. Figured I'd open them on camera and just see what we got. Just to share the experience of seeing something that I haven't seen in probably close to 18, 20 years, something like that. So I'm just pulling these boxes out. These are all things I've gotten either for myself or at yard sales or at the store for my own collection back when I collected. And I put them in boxes and haven't looked at them in years. So anyways, here's Matchbox 70s Coke collection, El Camino and Mustang. I'm just reaching in. This is all new to me. Racing Champions. That's the 60 Impala. I owned one of these in real life, so I collected these. And I think I have quite a few of them. Okay, let's see what's next. Matchbox Cosmic Blues. That's actually green. Racing Champions, another 60 Impala. Like I said, I had to grab every one I could find because that's the way it works. Dodge Viper. Matchbox. What is the date on these? 95, 96. Like I said, I used to just I had a room filled with Hot Wheels and Matchboxes, had them all on display for a while. Had some pretty cool stuff. Life and kids came along, and suddenly some of these things just aren't important to me anymore. Some are, though. I'll keep some of them. Formula Racer, about the same time period. Oh, hold on. Let me dig in here, see what we got. Got something loose, wrapped up. 59 Chevy, El Camino. Can't really see who made it, but I always like the 59s and 60s. What's this? The Ripper, BMW 850i. About that whole same time period. City Line Tourist Bus, Matchbox. Extending ladder truck, Matchbox. Corvette Grand Sport, the Widow. Alitalia, a bus. Matchbox. There's another 60 Chevy, Racing Champions Hot Rod Magazine. This is hard to reach into. Hold on. Oh, there we go. A Matchbox truck. Flare side pickup. Plymouth Prowler. Magnum PI helicopter by Matchbox. Star Car collection. It's a helicopter. Yep. 57 Chevy. I think, yeah, I had the tilt up front end. I had quite a few of these. In just different styles, colors. What is this? 59 El Camino by Johnny Lightning. Very pretty. Lamborghini contact. Lamborghini, not Lamborghini. Reaching into the box. Damn, I got a lot of stuff in here. Hold on a sec. Rhino rod. Car that looks like a rhinoceros. There you go. Aston Martin DB7 with a price tag right over top of it. It's kind of pretty. Tailgater. Car that looks like an alligator. And Rottweiler, a car that looks like a Rottweiler. A matchbox in a box. What could it be? What could it be? It's a state police car. Huh. The stuff I didn't know I had that has been sitting in a box for years. And I've got lots of these boxes. A refuse truck. Yes. What kid doesn't want to play with that? What is this? Cosmic Blues in orange. Oh, wait. Burger Paints, London Bus. Yes. Another box. What is it? What is it? It's a mystery. It's a mystery. It is a tree care service truck with an extending bucket. And it's in a box. I'll do that later. Okay, what else we got? Something else wrapped up in paper. Not that, this. Well, a couple things. A car that looks like a robot. That looks like a Hot Wheels. And a car that looks like a robot. Looks silver and black, and this one's gold. And, oh, they're different. Okay. Two different robot cars. Yeah, what else we got? Let's get this out of here, because that isn't a car. Let's see. Another Racing Champions. Another 60 Impala. Bag that says Hot Wheels on it. Piece of paper. A Collectors Club newsletter. I was in the Collectors Club for a couple of years back in the day when I actually collected these. What do we got here? Tattoo machines. Hot cars, cool tattoos. Wear them. So it actually came with little tattoos you could stick on yourself, and a car that was all guzzied up. Oh, another one. This one's got eyeballs all over it. Porsche. And another one. Wolves or dogs or what have you. Oh, it says street dog, so I'm guessing it's a dog. Dragons. You dig in the box? More of these. This one's got guns on it. 4-wheel drive. It's called ammo. This one's got little Hot Wheels stickers all over it, and comes with Hot Wheels tattoos. And a 4-wheel drive Corvette with cool tattoos. Another 60 Chevy. Go figure. What we got? Another 60 Chevy Racing Champion. Go figure. Okay. Got something. What is this? Camaro Z28 police car. A silver dragon with movable head. Pretty ugly. Oh no, it's kind of nice. Oh, purple dragon. Same thing. Oh, another one of those tattoo ones. Spider Rider. It's got spiders all over it. And spider tattoos. Obviously from McDonald's. Hot Wheels. Another one from McDonald's. Hot Wheels. Another one from McDonald's. And something wrapped up. These are my favorites. What are they? Oh, a California Muscle. I think these were the ones that would jack up. If you pull down on the wheels, yeah, you could jack them up or something. Yeah. And what's this? Another one, a little 55 Chevy. Plastic base. It's probably a McDonald's toy. Digging in the box. Another tattoo machine. Skulls and snakes and what have you. Another one. Road pirate with pirates. Oh my god, how many tattoo machines are there? This one's got a whole bunch of nasty looking mouths on it. Open wide. And a school bus with all these 80s sayings. Totally excellent, hot, chill out, not. Okay, what else we got? A ghoul bus. Matchbox. Got a bunch of little children's skeletons. Mr. Beware. And comes with a little base that obviously had a rubber band on one time that would launch this thing. I think that must have been a Halloween thing. I might put it up this Halloween. Something else wrapped up in paper. Oh, a snake car. Hot Wheels. And a shark. Hot Wheels. More wrapped up in paper stuff. A blue 57 Chevy with a lot of dust on it. Pretty. And a yellow spattered 55 Chevy. And a couple more wrapped up. At least I wrapped them up before I put them away. Another 55 Chevy. Red. And another one with very 80s looking graphics on it. Oh my god, I'm reaching in this box and there's just so many cars. I'm gonna have to stop this video in a little bit and maybe make another one because there's just too many of these things. Goodyear. That's Matchbox, yeah. Little Matchbox car. And T-Fashion High Sport, made in China by nobody, but it is very cool. Old Buick. And Chevy, is that an S10? Looks like it. Made in China. I've got one of these in real life. Have to paint it to look like mine. Flat black and rust. What is this? 57 Chevy, gold wheels, Hot Wheels, and another 57 Chevy. I think this was a McDonald's car, if I remember right. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was. Oh my god, this box is just filled with cars. Dinosaur, Stegosaurus, Hot Wheels. It's squishy. Okay, digging through. Hot Wheels light up key ring. Try me, push button on top of car. Okay. I think the battery's dead because it's ancient. There's something in here. What is this? It feels kind of big. Oh. What is that? Super Tuners. Oh, it's a Hot Wheels. Bunch of tuner cars. Showstopper. MX-48 Turbo, Muscle Tone. Display case from 2000. I don't know why I have that. I don't know why I have most of these. I just do. Another Matchbox in a box. Bridge and highway department. Little flip up things on the roof. Yeah, I'm gonna stop this video soon because it's getting kind of long, but another 60 Chevy. How much did I pay for this? $3.99. Good Lord. I honestly have too many cars. Oh, a black rat. And please be a white rat. Yes! A white rat. I remember this one. See? Yeah. The rat rod. What's this? Oops, bumped the camera. Some exotic car from McDonald's. Maximizer. Okay, a couple more and then I'll turn this one off and I'll make another video with the rest that's in here, but I won't look at them. I'll wait to open them on here. An oldie buddy goodie Ford. Meat Streeter. And another one in yellow. I used to have a nice collection of stuff. Had some on display, some in boxes. Oh, that's pretty cool. Got a little surfboard in the back. Little woody wagon. I like that. What's this? Oh, that's neat. Little race car. Pop-up hood. Looks like a little salt flat car. Uh-oh. What's this about? And one more. Nah, another Bird's Custard car. We can't end on that. Let's end on something good. Let me open these up. Ooh, there's something pretty. Ford Thunderbird, Hot Wheels. Paint job on this is actually really cool. It's all metal flake. And Havoline car. Another Hot Wheels. Alright, promise I won't look in the box. I'll do another video and dig out the rest. Okay, thanks for watching.